CNC BROACH Tools is the only indexable CNC broaching system manufactured in the USA. Our stock keyway tools range from 1 mm up to 3/4 inch wide. Special spline broaching inserts are available upon request, however, a minimum order quantity will be required. When mounting the tool in your machine, always use a stop behind the tool, and use a split bushing when possible for the most rigid setup. We recommend indicating the insert into within 5/10. All inserts are tin-coated carbide and have 2 cutting edges. An undercut relief at the end of the keyway is always required when broaching a blind hole. A cross-hole relief at the end of the keyway is also acceptable. Spline inserts ship 2 to 3 weeks after print approval. Contact CNC BROACH Tools today at 877-248-1631.